we got around and getting breakfast and everything like that. And Lynn made a comment. She said, "You must have been really tired last night, because when I'm really tired is when I really snore." She said, "You must have been really tired last night, because you snored a lot last night. You snored really loud." And the Lord quickened it to me. That's why your throat was sore. Not because you were starting to get sick, but because you snored. And sure enough, by the time we had this conversation, it wasn't sore anymore at all. Swallowing was just normal and everything like that.